don't worry, leave a grocery store. It's like I have a fucking pattern. So this one's for the guys and girls and whatever else you are that want to motovlog. For whatever reason you feel like motovlogging, you know, maybe you get a camera and you want to start posting things because you got the camera for insurance, or like because a lot of shit goes wrong in your city or whatever, and you don't want to be a victim of circumstance, so you got a camera to document it. Or maybe you watch other creators and you're like, man, I want to do what they do. Or secret third option, you just want to make videos. So this is for you guys. If you want to do it but you feel awkward doing it because you got a camera strapped to your face and you think people are going to look at you funny, literally nobody will look at you funny for having a camera strapped to your face. It is so commonplace now that it's like second nature just to see a camera on a helmet or on a bike in general. That, and a lot of people don't really pay that much attention. Like if you ride and you've been riding before you decide you want to actually make content of riding, you'll know exactly what I mean by people don't pay attention regardless. Hell, even when I drive, people don't pay attention. I don't know how many times I've almost been hit or hit someone because they do something stupid. Admittedly, yeah, I've been the stupid before, but not as often as I am not the stupid. I also don't want y'all to get discouraged if like you post a video and it gets like nothing. Except maybe like, you know, your mom and your best friend Joe to like it. Because it's going to start out that way. You'll start out with nothing, barely anything, depending on what kind of like audience you already have going into it. Like if you have your friends like, yeah, I'll subscribe and watch you, bro, or whatever you are. I say bro because this is my perspective here. Then yeah, you know, you'll probably have a little bit. But you're probably not going to start with much. Don't let that discourage you. If you look at the statistics, there's like hundreds, thousands, not hundreds of thousands of YouTube videos posted every day on the platform. Same with Instagram and TikTok, except exponentially larger because it's shorter form content, so it's easier to make. You gotta like kind of find your spot in that and then stay there so you grow a little bit. I'm not saying you have to stay stagnant like that. I'm just saying like you will get there eventually. You just have to be found. On the flip side though, to also not get discouraged, you could be one of the rare few people that will randomly post something and it takes off and is viral and you're just set to post from there. That is so few and far though that it is insane. Don't bank on one video going viral or semi-viral to get you an audience. Stay consistent too. Don't post randomly here and there. I mean, I know there's a lot of guys that do the post randomly there, but they have it set down to once a month. Stay consistent to like once a month, once a week, every other week, you know. Stay consistent. Consistency is key. A lot of people will say that, and me personally, it is hard to keep that mantra going because I'm consistent and I don't get shit. At least compared to the guys that I say not be consistent, and they get like 4 times as much as I get. But this isn't me here to complain. This is just me trying to like tell you my experience. Don't let that kind of stuff discourage you. If you can, try to like think of like a not a niche, but like a general short title for a video too, and try not to post one that's like super crazy long, because a lot of people don't have that kind of attention span. I know whenever I click on like a long ass video, I usually use it for background while I'm editing my own videos, but I tend to try and go towards like the 10 to 15 minute range when I watch, and I try to keep my stuff within the, like the 8 to 12 minute range personally, just because I kind of lose interest in editing after that, because then I gotta watch that shit back, you know. And if I don't want to watch the video, why would any of y'all want to watch the video? Also really beg this, don't risk your life for clout. Like if you're already a fast rider, if you're one of the fast boys before you put a camera on your face, by all means keep doing your fast boy shit. I'm not going to talk you out of it. But if you're new Don't ride at Mach 10 because you're trying to impress people that might never see your video. You know, start a basis, a little foundation of what you like to do, how you like to ride, with topics that you can talk about. As much as I hate to say it too, try to cash in on a trend here and there. I'm not a trend guy, I kind of despise them. But I cannot deny cashing in on a trend every once in a while will definitely get you an extra handful of views here and there. I guess that's all I really got. I haven't really gotten famous, as you can tell. If you're seeing this, you're probably one of the people that already watch my videos or know me, so. But leave a comment below. What do you guys have for the new people that are just starting out, or even advice you have for creators that are still making it after having started a long time ago? Let us know what y'all have below. Roll that picture of the dyno.